How to check someone's likes on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then, make sure you're logged into your account. After that, click on the heart-shaped icon at the top. In here, if it's related to you, you will find the person has liked in here, which is your notification. But if that's not the case, when you go to the post, you will find liked by this friend at the bottom, which is beside the comment section and the heart icon at the bottom. And there's no other way to simply see other person's like. You will only be able to see if the post comes to your feed. And this is how to check someone's likes on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.